So, as a business owner, how will the 2021 budget announcement affect you? Well, check out this video and I'll show you.
Hello, I'm Louise Misiewicz.
And I'm Simon Misiewicz. We're from Optimise Accountants and here to help you grow your wealth whilst reduce your tax liability.
Now, if you want to find out more detail on the topic we're about to go through, you can do so by clicking on the URL above or below this particular recording to get into the real nuts and bolts.
So let's start with income tax. Now, we know that Rishi Sunak did increase the allowances for income tax so that you earn more without paying tax, but it wasn't a great deal. And the reason for that is because of all the financial support that he has provided throughout the pandemic. Now, what you do need to bear in mind that these allowances I'm now showing you for 21-22 are frozen for the foreseeable future. So you will have more tax to pay as we have more inflation.
Also, there is an impact on national insurance. So again, it's going to be held and frozen for some time, but you can see what it's going to look like in the column entitled 2021-22. So do keep in mind, these are the sole trader national insurance rates. As you can see, class 2 has jumped up by a measly £40 before it kicks in, and class 4 a whole £203 at the 9% rate.
Now, if you are a self-assessment sole trader, then of course you will pay income tax as well as national insurance, which leads me on to nicely the corporation tax. Now, if you're a sole trader, you may want to think about incorporating your business because you could pay less tax through a limited company than you would under self-assessment. So please do speak to your accountants and tax advisor more about that. Now, Rishi Sunak did say that he's going to freeze corporation tax, which is great news.
But he's not frozen it in the way that we would have all liked, which would be permanently and for all levels of profit. As you can see, if you earn a profit of £50,000 or less, then indeed corporation tax hasn't changed. It stayed at 19%. But start making more than £50,000 profit, somewhere between 50,000 and 250,000, and there'll be some form of tapering up to the new higher level of corporation tax, which I'm just about to talk through. So hit £250,000 worth of profit or more and prepare yourself for 2023 and beyond to start paying 25% in corporation tax rather than 19%, which of course is a huge 6% increase.
And if you are self-employed and you claimed on this self-employment income support scheme, further good news, we know we have been in lockdown for a good period of time, which would have affected you as a sole trader under self-assessment. The good news is that the extension to that support has now been pushed all the way through to September, and it will continue throughout to March next year as well, but the amount of relief that you'll get and support will be reduced. But the 80% and the £2,500 per month or £7,500 for the quarter is in place up to the September deadline. So that is good news for those self-employed. Don't forget, if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you give us a good old thumbs up. And if you have any questions about this video, then make sure you ask your question in the comments box below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any future video. And
thanks very much for watching and listening. I'm Louise Misiewicz.
And I'm Simon Misiewicz. See you all again soon.